Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. I am here today to talk to you about a very exciting collaboration that I am doing with the lovely Sian from Kittenish Behaviour. Now, if you don't follow Sian's vlog, where have you been all your life? Sian is a fantastic sewist and vlogger. She lives on the Isle of Wight in the UK and is currently daily vlogging, which is a pretty awesome feat. I could not do it personally, so hats off Sian for managing to keep us entertained on a daily basis on YouTube. So Sian and I have met on a couple of occasions now at various events, normally things like the Knitting and Stitching show in London, and we decided that it was time that we got together and we did something for you guys. I know a lot of my viewers watch Sian's, and I know a lot of Sian's viewers watch me, mainly because we are all members of the same Facebook group. And we often chat backwards and forwards. So I know that many of you lovely viewers will already know this information, but this is really for the benefit of those of you that aren't up to date with my social media. So, in a nutshell, Sian is very well known for sewing these babies the necessary clutch wallet. Now, Sian made this one for me as part of her Patreon program. You can see how beautiful is that inside. All in my beautiful company colours, and it's absolutely superbly made. I love it. So she's incredibly good at making these. She knows them inside and out. It's the postman, how rude. She knows them inside and out, and therefore she would like to run a workshop teaching all of you lovely lot how to make the necessary clutch wallet. Now, the great thing is she happens to have a vlogging friend who has a lovely sewing studio full of sewing machines that could accommodate just that, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So on Saturday the 17th and Sunday the 18th of November, I am hosting a workshop at my studio in Essex in Brentwood. Sian is coming over from the Isle of Wight and we're going to have a 2-day workshop where you will be able to make your very own necessary clutch wallet. The great thing is all of the machines will be provided for you, so you don't have to lug your sewing machine to a class. All of the hardware and all of the interfacing and threads and everything else will also be included for you. All you will need to bring along is your chosen fabrics for your purse. Because I know many of you are going to want to travel from far afield, we're not going to worry about things like you having to bring packed lunches with you or anything like that. Lunch will be included on both days, and obviously we'll be able to cater for you if you're a veggie or gluten-free or have some kind of food intolerance. Just let us know. So it's great that Sian's coming over for 2 days. It's great that we're going to be running this workshop. It's been online now for a week or so and we have already sold half of the spaces. So there are just 6 spaces left on this workshop if you want it. It's great that Sian's coming over, and obviously we want to make full use of the fact that she's here. So we have decided that for everybody who is taking part in the workshop, but also anybody else who wants to come along, that on the Saturday evening, so that's the 17th of November, we are going to have a big fat party. We are hosting the Stitches Social. We've taken it over one of the conference rooms of a nearby Holiday Inn hotel. We're going to have a lovely, lovely evening of stitching fun. So basically what's included in your ticket is a lovely glass of bubbles on arrival, a 3-course meal. Again, we can cater for any needs or requirements, just let us know. Sian and I will then do a Q&A session, so you can ask us any questions you like about sewing or our crafty journey or just life in general, obviously within reason. I'm sure there will be many of you wanting to ask Sian about her time as a bunny as well, and I'm sure she won't mind answering the odd question here and there. We are going to have a photo booth, we're going to have lots of games and quizzes and all sorts of fun things that we can do after our meal. And we're going to obtain lots of prizes, hopefully from some of the big sewing companies. And if anybody wants to donate anything to the pot, then feel free to get in touch. I'll make sure I leave my email address down below in the comments section. So it's going to be great fun. The most important thing is we are also going to have a best dressed competition, which will be judged by myself and Sian. So you've got plenty of time between now and November to make yourself a fantastic party outfit. It doesn't have to be a dress. It could be a top, it could be a top and trousers, a jumpsuit, whatever you fancy. Just make yourself something lovely and spectacular. And we will be awarding various prizes for different categories that we're going to come up with a little bit later, closer to the event. So tickets are available for the Stitches Social via my website. I will pop the link down below for you. Tickets for Stitches Social are just £40, but that does include your welcome drink and a 3-course meal. So I'm sure it's going to be super, super fun. Tickets are limited because the conference room is obviously of a size it can only house a certain number of people. So we do recommend that you book your tickets really, really soon. It's in the main Holiday Inn Hotel, which is at junction 28 of the M25. There are rooms available in the hotel should you wish to stay overnight. We just ask that you book that directly with the hotel. There's also parking on site. If you're coming from far away and you've got any questions, just feel free to message me down below, pop something in the comments and I will be able to answer that for you, or you can always get in touch via email. But I'm really looking forward to getting to meet some of you in person. I do hope you can come and I look forward to seeing you either on the workshop, at the Stitches Social or both.